Standing against the odds, a new era in spinal cord injury therapy with reprogrammed stem cells. For decades, paralysis caused by spinal cord injury was considered irreversible, a life sentence that confined individuals to wheelchairs, dependent on technology and caregivers. But in 2025, a quiet medical breakthrough in Japan sent ripples through the global medical community. A paralyzed man stood up, unaided, after receiving an injection of reprogrammed stem cells. This wasn't science fiction. It was the beginning of a revolution. The dream of walking again. Paralysis has long stood as one of the most daunting frontiers in medicine. Spinal cord injuries sever the lines of communication between the brain and body, often with devastating permanence. Traditional treatments aim at stabilizing the injury or easing symptoms, but do not restore lost function. For patients and scientists alike, the dream has always been more ambitious: true regeneration. Restoring mobility, not just managing disability. And that's exactly what Japanese researchers aim to achieve using one of the most promising tools of regenerative medicine, induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs. The case that changed everything. In a first-in-human phase 1 trial led by a team at Keio University, 4 patients with complete motor paralysis received injections of neural precursor cells, cells that were not embryonic in origin, but derived from iPSCs, which are adult cells reprogrammed to behave like embryonic stem cells. These iPSCs were carefully nudged in the lab to become neural stem cells, the precursors to the neurons and glial cells that make up our brain and spinal cord. Then, using delicate surgical precision, 2 million of these cells were injected directly into the site of the spinal lesion. For 3 of the 4 patients, the results were life-changing. One man, who had been paralyzed for over a year, was able to stand unaided. Another regained partial movement in his limbs. For the first time in medical history, paralyzed individuals were not only treated, but repaired. This wasn't merely a boost in quality of life. It was biological regeneration of a damaged central nervous system, something once thought impossible. A science years in the making. The technology behind this breakthrough has deep roots. iPSCs were first created by Dr. Shinya Yamanaka in 2006, a discovery that won him the Nobel Prize. By reprogramming adult skin cells into a stem-like state, scientists bypassed ethical concerns surrounding embryonic cells, while opening new doors for personalized and off-the-shelf regenerative therapies. Over the past decade, iPSCs have been tested in treating macular degeneration, heart failure, and Parkinson's disease. But applying them to the spinal cord, a complex highway of neurons, required a new level of precision and hope. The trial used donor-derived iPSCs, not the patient's own, enabling rapid deployment of pre-prepared, quality-controlled cell lines. The Japanese regulatory framework, which allows conditional approval of regenerative therapies after phase 1 safety trials, helped fast-track the process. A glimpse of the future. This trial is just the beginning. Larger studies are now planned, focusing on more patients and longer follow-up periods to evaluate durability, safety, and consistency of outcomes. Researchers are also refining how to better integrate the injected cells with the patient's native spinal tissue and guide their development into the right types of neurons. The challenges remain real. 2 patients in the study showed only limited improvement, and long-term risks such as tumor formation need to be ruled out. But the potential is unmistakable. For the man who stood again, and for the millions watching in wheelchairs around the world, this moment is a symbol, a future where standing, walking, and independence may no longer be out of reach. The bigger picture. As we reflect on this case, it offers more than just clinical success. It redefines our view of what is possible in regenerative medicine. It is a story of hope built on decades of science, regulatory foresight, and the courage of patients willing to be pioneers. In the coming years, reprogrammed stem cells may become a standard part of the toolkit to treat not only paralysis but a range of degenerative conditions. This is no longer just a medical intervention. It is the beginning of a biological renaissance, one where the human body, once broken, can be taught to heal itself. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe for more video.